my little artist. I hope you're doing wonderful today. So, again, in honor of National Pet Month, which is April, and National Pet Day is April 11th, we are going to make a turtle today. So, turtle is one of those things that not everybody has, but I think everyone has at least seen a turtle. So, I don't know if you can see, but I have my little turtle earrings on. They're kind of small. And I know you can't necessarily see all of my dress, but my dress has all kinds of animals on it. But if you can see my little turtle right there, I have turtles and unicorns and elephants. It's just a fun animal print dress. So today we are going to draw a turtle together, okay? And this is going to be so much fun. So get your paper and your pencil or pen, whatever you're going to draw with, and then something to color with. All right, my little artist, let's go. Okay, I have chosen a dark green marker to draw my outlines with instead of a black, which is what I usually use. So I'm going to start in the middle of my paper as always, and I am going to make an arch or a rainbow line where it goes just like that. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's kind of curved at the top. And then at the bottom, I'm going to kind of curve it around a little bit, just like that. Then I'm also going to make another curve. So this is the lip of the shell of the turtle. And then right down here, this is going to be the head of my turtle. So I'm going to have a little two parallel lines sticking out a little bit. And then I'm going to make a circle right here, a small circle or an oval. Just like that. Okay. Now at the bottom, he needs some legs. Okay, so at the bottom of my turtle, just gonna make my right here. I'll make my legs come out just like that. Okay. And then at my back leg, I'm going to put a little foot on my back leg, just like this. Okay. And then right here in front of this leg, I'm going to have another little leg kind of peeking out. Okay. So that's his leg on the back side. I'm going to have it peeking out there. And then right down here, I'm going to make another line. That's kind of his belly, underneath belly right there. And then right next to this leg, down below here, I'm going to have another leg kind of peeking out. Just like that. Okay, so this leg, I don't know if you noticed, but it's not that I put it up a little bit from this line to make it look like it was behind it. Okay, that gives it a different perspective. And then right here, I'm going to take this and make little toenails on my little turtle, just like this. Okay. And then a turtle has his shell usually has a pattern on it, and that pattern can look different depending on the type of turtle. There are tons of different kinds of turtles. There are tortoises and sea turtles. Okay, and then so at the top, actually I think I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make kind of a rounded triangle. So instead of doing where you usually make a triangle and they come to a point, I'm kind of rounding them. And the one in the middle, I'm going to make bigger. And then the ones on each side, I'm going to make a little smaller to make it look like the turtle's shell is round. Then I might put part of one over here to make it look like it goes clear around, just like that. Then up at the top, I'm going to do some rounded kind of triangle shapes here. And these don't have to be perfect because a turtle shell, like I said, looks different on each turtle. It's kind of like a human's fingerprint. Okay, right here on my turtle, I'm going to make a mouth right here like this. And then I'm going to I think I'm going to do my black marker for the eye so that I can see it'll stick out. So here I made an oval for the eye. And then inside, I'm going to do a smaller one. And then underneath that eye, I'm going to draw like a small arch. Okay. And if you wanted to add like a little eyebrow coming off the page, you can, like that. That kind of gives it a little character. Now, sometimes turtles will kind of have like little wrinkles in here. So I'm going to add that to his neck. Okay. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to color this. Now, different turtles have different colors of shell and of legs. Sometimes they're dark green. Their shell can be a yellow, a brown, a green color. So I'm going to color this and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay guys, so this is my finished turtle. If you notice, I use different shades and tints of green. I used some darker ones and I even used some yellow in there for the belly. And then on the belly of the turtle, I added some lines to make that look like it was curved underneath his belly. All right. So I hope you enjoyed making this turtle. Shoot me some pictures. You can take some pictures and then post them. I would love to see them of your turtle. All right, guys, have fun and keep creating. Talk to you soon.